Welcome! I won't mince words, my friends. This school needs help. My help. How many of you out there feel abused by society? Let down by the establishment? Brutalized? I feel your pain, my children. Do not despair. Salvation is here, my friends. By choosing me as your leader, we will usher in a new era of education. Abusive prefects? Gone. Lackluster teaching? Gone. Physical education? Gone. Bulworth will be the model for a pure academic curriculum. Money no longer wasted on silly musicals or crafts. My opponent would have you believe that sports are more meaningful for your future than decent textbooks and competent teachers. What have sports done for you except cause pain and misery? While my opponent may also be more popular, good-looking and muscular, and have the attention of the school bimbos, he just doesn't have what it takes to be president. There are some who claim I don't represent the masses. Let me tell you, I've been beat up just as much as you. It's time for change for the better. A vote for Earnest means a vote for the triumph of brains over brawn. Let me repeat. In closing, remember, a vote for E means a vote for me. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Ouch! That's just not right! Hey, stop it! Ow! Ouch! This is intolerable! Ow! Why is this happening? Pardon the interruption. Where was I? I will not be discouraged! Now, as I was saying, please ignore them. This is so unfair. You're all such brutes. I give up. No, this can't be happening. This tool used by the jocks to manipulate the masses. Someone get this off my stage now! What's going on? Please stop it! Good job, Jimmy! You do have your uses after all! Oh, I can't wait to see them. I'm an avid student of anatomy, you know.
You're in my domain now, Jimmy. Prepare to suffer! How do you like it so far, James? This is only the beginning. Your aggro-management won't save you, Hopkins! Are you still trying, Jimmy? You are bloody-minded, I have to give you that. Give up, Jimmy, you'll never make it! You're outmatched on all fronts! Well, other than Braun. Get him before he damages the Transformer! The Transformer is damaged and the gate open, you dunces! Fall back! Defend the Spud Cannon! Don't let him turn it on the door! Don't let him get the Spud Cannon! It is the key to our defenses! He can try, but he won't break down the door! It's not an air compressor, you dolt! Don't you know anything?
Defend the barricades! The outer barricade has been breached! Fall back! They've taken the second barricade! Withdraw in good order! The last barricade has fallen! Jimmy, what are you doing? They're inside! All is almost lost! Melvin, protect me! They've come through from the side! Jimmy, come back! Get to the Spud Cannon! Jimmy, get to the Spud Cannon! It's our last chance! Hold them back with a barrage of potatoes, Jimmy! Jimmy, what are you doing? Get back in position! Jimmy, don't abandon the spud cannon! Jimmy, don't leave your position! Jimmy, where do you think you're going? It's not over yet, Jimmy! Get back to the gun! I need more time! I still need more time! Science is hard work! Almost done! Just keep those jacks away! Eureka! It's done! Oh, drat! Hang on, almost there. Done! The system's up! You'll never take me alive! Never, you hear? Never! Your brawn is no match for my superior technology! This is just a prototype! Soon we'll all have one! Watch out! Flying potatoes! Can you even spell potato, Jimmy? Oh, you'll like this, Jimmy. This is for you, Jimmy. Got a present for you. You like this? You guys treat us nerds like dirt. One day you'll regret it. Yeah, I have chicken legs. So what? Huh? One day I'll be rich, and you'll be sorry. You think it's funny now, but one day I'll invent a better nuclear bomb. Then you'll be sorry. Why do you have to be such a bully, Jimmy? Why? Can't we all just get along? No, we can't because you're a bastard. No one appreciates an intelligent personality around here. No one. It isn't fair. Well, it looks like you've gotten the paint. Irrelevant. Looks like the local law enforcement know you're coming. Perhaps a miscalculation in dealing with the dropout. Now you can really show everyone you mean business when you get up there and make your mark. You're so cool. You fool. You don't see it. Gary's got a plan. A great plan. You don't get it. With my brains and his lack of morals, nothing can stop us. Completely. But why didn't you get Gary? I have some business to attend to, Jimmy. Look, I really have to do my homework. Jimmy? Help! Jimmy! I'm being harassed! Sorry. You wanna be friends? I didn't mean anything. Can't you just leave me alone? You'll be sorry. Don't be mean. I'll remember that. Oh, I see how it is. You interrupted my thinking. Do you have to bother me now? I have to attend to my experiments. See you. My compatriots need me. I must go. Look, I gotta go. Help me! I require assistance! Get back here, you cretin! You can't get away! I'll get my revenge. Just you wait. I'll let you go. For now. I should have gone to gym class. Nobody appreciates my genius. One day they'll all be sorry. I've only been victimized 6 times today. So far, so good. I wish I had more homework. It's a good plan. It simply cannot fail. I have to get my magazines back from Algie. It's completely unacceptable. I simply won't have it. That's incomprehensible. Felicitations, my friend. Cleverly done. I'm still the best in calculus. What's so special about it anyways? I don't care that I lost. We never had a chance. Maybe you won, but we're still smarter than you. Who cares about this stupidity anyways? Don't be such a cretin! Imbecile, don't hit me! Are you stupid or something? Why are you hitting me? Quit being a dimwit, would you? This is just the beginning. You're gonna be so sorry. You're such a bully. I'll show you. I'll get revenge. Victimized again. I'll get you for this. How humiliating. One day you'll be sorry. I won't forget this. You're nothing but a hooligan. You base brute. I've had enough. You're going to pay. This will not stand. Oh, now you're gonna get it. You're nothing but a thug on a sports team. Pompous buffoon. Did you just spit on me? Look at those brutes go! I hope they kill each other! It's like watching Neanderthals! Oh no! Surprise attack! I don't understand! Why does this always happen when I'm working on something interesting? This is for you. Why, hello there. Greetings. Hello. I hope it isn't too difficult for you to understand, but I need you to do this. So, I need you to do this thing for me. Jimmy, my amigo, I need your aid. I require your assistance. You're going to be sorry if you do that again. You won't get away with that. Don't make me angry, moron. Imbecile. Cretin. Moron. Imbecile. Ooh, I must be avenged. Flying Rodentia! Hello there, Jimmy. Hello there, my compatriot. Jimmy, good to see you. Unhand my compadre! Stop being such a bully! Oh, I have to figure out how that's done. That's actually not stupid. I could do better. Whoever did this is a moron. What are you doing? Stop that, you brute! Cool! Where did you get that? What compound is that? I think I made that. Ironic, isn't it? I'd like to report a serious transgression. I've had it with all the abuse and persecution in this place. Learn to read, cretin. My mom says you're a failure. Can you even read? You're like the square root of evil. You're too stupid. Social reject. I am calling you a nerd. Nerd. I don't like it. I'll deal with you later. You don't want to tangle with me. I'm smarter than you, so just forget it. Can't you find something better to do? This way, Jimmy! Jimmy, over here! Follow me, Jimmy! Come on, Jimmy! Hurry up, Jimmy! Thank you, Jimmy. You have your uses after all. You don't have the brains to win. My plan will destroy you. You're too stupid to win. You're a bunch of noobs. We are invincible. You'll never win. You don't have a chance, idiots. Thank you, amigo. My plan worked perfectly. Don't underestimate me again. Maybe now you'll show me some respect. That's right, we win! How does it feel to get beaten by nerds? My superior intellect led us to victory. That's the wrong way, imbecile! Are you trying to get lost? Don't be so obstinate! Why are you going that way? That's, the wrong way? Oh, why does it have to be like this? Interesting. What could it be?